Hello everyone. So like I said in the previous episode, we're going to take a look at some reference because I couldn't really figure it out what we were missing. So this is flip clock fans. Since the Plateau clock is in fact a very old flip clock. So let's see. Well, we can't really see much on this picture. I will put this website in the description down below. I probably already did at one point. So here we can see that it is held up on the axle. So that would mean that we have indeed somewhere, if that is the case. So, because that's the kind of the model that we have. Let's see, do we have... So here we can see that that's what's sticking out of the movement of ours, but it is not... In ours, there's no way that's going to poke through it, like so, because... what do we have here? Here it's also just being held up by something, which kind of makes me suspect there is somewhere. Let's see. Here we can't see it. Here we can't see it either. Here again. So, yeah. Really need to investigate that then. I'm not entirely sure. Um, I'm just clicking on all the ones that look similar. Yeah, pretty sure we've already seen that picture. Yeah, same thing. So yeah, that probably just means that for some reason, um, the the two, like basically a whole piece that holds the flips basically is not meant to be this loose on its axle. So I might need to take everything apart and then just yeah, slide it off and maybe punch it a little bit with a punch so that like it grips a bit, because I can hardly imagine that like it really needs to be tight. But yeah, it's interesting because at first I just assumed that like they would have put like a piece of brass in between there to just prop it up a little bit, but no, no, that's not the case, not at all. Which is, yeah, which is great, I guess, because that means we don't really missing a piece. Yeah, same here. It seems to be common on all of them, whether or not they are the same style as we have here. Let's see the blue one. Yep, same thing. So yeah. Anyways, that is it then. Time to investigate it for real. So here we are. Put that clock in real life. So yeah, let's investigate. Since we discovered that we're not really missing anything, it's just like something looks worn out. There we go. So I'm just going to try to undo that little pin there. If it wants to become undone, I can probably take it, yes. Like this, I can hold it. Okay, I straightened it out. Let's try if I can push it out instead of pulling it. Sometimes that works better. And there we go. I got it out a little bit. And we got that out. And I lost the pin. Yeah, that's not too bad. Now this should come off. And it doesn't come off. Why don't you want to come off? Did I count? No. Sometimes there's like a little broom on there. I feel like if I can just give a little tap on it with something. Let's get my little hammer out. So, let's give this okay. And now I need a little punch. The only problem is now I'm missing a hand. Let's see. How am I going? Maybe I can wriggle the last part off. Yes. Aha. And the secret reveals itself. There's just a little screw in there. So if I don't know if you can. No, it's quite hard to see from there, but if we just. Yep. So that was the secret. There's just a little screw in there that you need to tighten. So that means that we don't miss anything, which is great. So that means that the only step we need to do in order to repair this clock is to make some of the numbers, like remake them, which is going to be interesting. So, in order to do that, I'm just going to scan a bunch of them, put pictures of them, number which ones I'm missing, and then try to remake them. So as you can see, we're missing a bunch. So I think, yeah, that's going to be it for today. So, hope you liked it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.